Everyone knows that cookies are a staple on the internet, used for everything from tracking user behavior to providing a personalized experience. But what many people don't know is that they can also be enabled on their iPhone devices. In this short tutorial, I'll show you how to enable cookies on your iPhone so you can get the most out of your online experience. Just make sure to watch this video until the very end to learn how. To get started, open up the settings of your iPhone and then scroll down until you see an option called Safari. Once you find it, tap on it. And then scroll down a little bit, and you'll see an option called Block All Cookies. So if you have blocked all cookies, turned on like this, simply turn it off. And now you have successfully enabled cookies on your iPhone. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching, and have a good day.